Hello, how are you children? I hope everybody fine at your home. Art and culture, Hollywood films. Hollywood, a northwest suburb of Los Angeles in California, is the center of the American film industry. Every year, many films are made here, the home of the entertainment industry. Read the descriptions and identify the Hollywood films. Take help from the given clues. First, it is a 2014 American superhero film based on the Marvel Comics superhero team of the same name. Produced by Marvel Studios, distributed by Walt Disney Studios Motion Pictures. 1. Guardians of the Galaxy. Second, directed by Jonathan Demme and starring Anthony Hopkins and Jodie Foster. This movie won 5 Academy Awards for Best Actor, Best Actress, Best Director, Best Picture and Best Screenplay. The Silence of Lambs. He is one of the most prominent American motion picture actors of his generation. His supporting performance as a dyspeptic Marine colonel in A Few Good Men 1992 earned him his 10th Oscar nomination, an all-time record for a male actor. Jack Nicholson. Fourth one, he is the director and producer of thrillers like Jaws, Raiders of the Lost Ark and It. His latest venture that won him 3 Oscars was Jurassic Park in 1992. Steven Spielberg. Fifth one, this award-winning American actor is best known for his roles in The Grapes of Wrath and on Golden Pond. Henry Fonda. Sixth one, a great dancer, he partnered Ginger Rogers in 10 films, the best of which were Top Hat and Swing Time. Fred Astaire. This one, brain research, backside answer. When you are reading that you can understand. This one red, new one upside. Then again new one upside, then green will be light left side and red will alter coming. Okay. Here also new one up only, then alter blue left side, here alter red coming. Okay. Next one, here orange and purple, new one color will up, here orange, skipping blue, here green, red, alter, here alter one, blue will come, here red, one by one only red coming. First here, second here, third here and fourth one here. Okay, back side you can understand. Here also using 8 8, when adding the you should get 1000 and 1 is set. You add with this word to make a meaningful word. Lozenge. Okay. Next, this also, an ant has 6 legs, a spider has 8 legs and a mouse has 4 legs. In my zoo, I recently counted 612 legs, which came from an equal number of each of these animals. How many animals are there? 102 animals. Calculation also there. The arrow below is currently pointing from south to north. Move one line and add one other. So that the arrow points from east to west. See? Okay. What kind of coat can only be put on when wet? A coat of paint. What starts with an E but only has a single letter in it? An envelope. Okay. A man built a house rectangular in shape. All the sides have certain exposure. A big bear walks by. What color is the bear? Why? The bear is wild, right? Since the house is built on the North Pole. If there are 3 apples and you taken away 2, how many? If you take 2 apples, then you have of course 2 apples in your hand. One big hockey fan claimed to be able to tell the score before any game. How did he do it? 0:0. You can start a fire if you have alcohol, petrol, kerosene. Which one? What is the first thing you use? A match. Why do Chinese men eat more than Japanese men? Because Chinese men is more than Chinese men, Japanese men is there. What word describes a woman who does not have all her finger on one hand? Normal. See this one, this you read it and see the solution, you can understand. Okay, here also you read it and understand, it will be the answer. Till here your syllabus. Now our syllabus over, children. Study well. Next video I will send the question paper.